So today I'll be doing a bike check. I run GT frame, GT seat, lightweight, GT cranks, chain, pedals, everything. X rims with Kenda tires on both front and back. Fork is lime green. Handlebars used to be lime green, but I had to go and buy new ones. They're still GT brand though. That's in chrome. I got GT grips, Tektro brakes. Got a new crank on it. It's the exposure clutch. My last one broke also. Just went out and bought those today. And that's basically it. I used to have pegs on it, but they broke. So I run them both on the left side. That's it. And that's basically my whole bike check. It weighs about 20 pounds, if that. Probably not even that. And leave me a comment, subscribe, do all that fancy stuff, but leave a comment and video response of your guys' bike so I can see those, check it out, get some new ideas. I will be doing changes, so expect more videos, and that's it for today. See ya.